Welcome back to StockSmart. Now, we are going to color code our chart. So, what would that mean? Well, that would mean that on a good chart, we would be green, good and bullish. But on a bad chart time frame setting, we would be red. Okay? And this is a neat little thing you can do. So let's get rid of all this extra stuff because that's left over from our last video. We don't really need it. Okay. And our P&L, we don't need to have our P&L. It probably won't be there. Okay. We still have something plotting down here. All right. Let's pull up one of our lists here, see if anything shows up. And how about our Kapok Weekly or Kapok, Kapok Weekly buy true. And so we look for these signals. Now I can already see there's something that needs to be fixed in the code already. Otherwise it's plotting down here. So this must be plotting the particular change in trend. All right. We're going to want to fix that. And let's do a money flow 0 on the daily. Oh, man, we did get something. Excellent. All right. ACUS, AMNB, APTS, CHRS. And let's check this on the daily. HITI. Okay. LUV, NABL, PEN. Okay, now I was watching PEN way back here at 50, and I traded them all the way up into here. Then when they started to fall off, I really didn't bother with them anymore, but I should have checked back in. That way I could have gotten this rally right here. That would have been nice. All right, PRLB. Protos Labs, looks like they're hitting a nice little low here too. All right, but they do have some support lines along the way. We use these to check support and resistance. All right, and let's go out to the weekly. 4 hour. All right, so on the 4 hour, we're starting to see bullish. Let's go down to lower time frames, and we can see bullish there too. All right, that's excellent. So if we see green on the first hour, and we might be looking at a first hour breakout, but on the day that might not be true. And this is a very typical move, okay? We see this move happen a lot. The down hammer, the upwards little harami, and that means that they have control from here to here. All right, now let's expect that they're gathering shares and that they're ready to move the price. All right, and now we'll get into how we're going to be able to do that. All right, and this is a script that we can use for the VWAP. All right. Now this is a cross of VWAP, and you can just copy these things right here. All right. Then you can plot your signal. Assign background color. If the signal, then light green, else dark red. But what's really neat is this is based on VWAP, sure, but it doesn't have to be. Okay. What if we want it based on another signal, like TTM squeezes, or HA Colt, or the Arun, or stochastic, anything, okay? So let's just take this little snippet here, and we're going to apply it to another example. Okay. So let's just take our little color plot here. And you can see we're just taking our plot signal, whatever our signal was, and we're assigning a background color to it, okay? Very simple. Assign background color, then if signal, then do the thing, else. Okay? So now we'll get rid of that. All right, and we'll get rid of our anchor VWAP bot. We'll hit apply, and Now, this may already be within, but if it isn't, we'll put it there. We'll grab our awesome Aussie labels. All right, and this is our awesome oscillator. And it gives us some labels of, possible actions we can take. And we can see even here on the larger time frame, this 2 tech holdings, it did the same move, but just in a larger span. So they own such a large area. But it does have money flowing in on the particular day, giving it a good signal, and we are seeing this happening as well. So these are all good things. Breaks above, moving average. All right. Now let's go down to our awesome Aussie labels and see what we need to do. Downtrend, uptrend. All right. Let's see here. Let's change it like that. Let's change it like that. Let's hit OK. Did that kind of do it or not really? I mean, it makes it pretty apparent what the trends are, where you should be looking. But if it doesn't, okay, and it looks like we're going to use the awesome oscillator for this particular. All right. Let's come in here, add label, show underlying, enter, and let's get that right in there. And we're going to leave the colors the same just because, okay. And we're going to leave our signal, all right. So we've got first cross of VWAP and then first cross of VWAP from 1 bar ago is what that looks like. All right, so if signal, then color light green, else dark red. All right, so we want an uptrend. All right, so that's really just going to be our signal, uptrend. All right, so we'll just copy that. And you're going to put that right on in there. Voila. And cross your fingers. Ole. All right. How'd we do? So now we can see outright it's a bullish. All right, no guessing. That is a very clear signal. All right, we do have bullish action going on. So now it will follow with the red and green ticks. So let's find one that's red. We might not find it on this one. Yeah, all of these are probably going to be bullish. And that's because of the particular signal that we're looking for here that we will talk about in another video. This is a long-term swing trading entry signal, okay? Keep that in mind. Okay, now let's check out trend noise periods on the daily. Or if we really want, we can just go look at the gap down, and I know that'll be... There we go, some gappers down. They ought to be red. There's some redness. All right, now we check out our redness here. And what do we have here? One red bar. Excellent. All right, so that's perfect. It works perfect. So now you know exactly how to do that. And since I still have it saved, we can go over and I will place that in the GitHub lower studies. And I will leave it there for a little bit of time. If you visited the lower studies file, you will have noticed that some things have moved over to a private file. Yes, that is true. I've put some things into the StockSmart Indicators vault, not to be returned until a certain time. Kind of like a Disney vault. Ha ha ha. All right. So let's go here and check out LOGI, Logi. And that's a Logitech International. All right, and we might even see a first hour breakout there. Okay, we have OWLT, which we've been finding all over the place. Ooh la la, look at that low and, you know, how far it's got to travel. So let's figure it's got to travel back up somewhere into this range, and sideways. All right, VTRS, gold, JWN was a winner from yesterday. Looks like it might have another great day today. And we've got some good signals going on here as well. All right. And that is on a gap down list. So ones that gap down may overcorrect, and we can benefit from that. Okay. And we'll check out our runners on the 4 hour. So if the color of the chart itself didn't get you, the label right here should make it very clear, okay? And this will give you the up, sideways, wait, signal, or the, don't even bother signal, so. But all of this is still a work in progress, so hit the like button, consider supporting, the channel, subscribe, that's the best way to do it. Share it. Share the videos. That'd help out a lot too. So I thank you for watching. Get out there and make some money, and we'll see you in the next video.